In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to access a hidden section in Elementor. If you've ever switched to a mobile preview and wondered where a widget disappeared to, this walkthrough will show you exactly how to find it and work on it without changing how it appears on your live site. Start by opening the page where you want to access the hidden section in the Elementor editor. Give the page a moment to load and make sure you're in the correct area you want to work on. This process is especially helpful when you know an element exists on desktop, but it's missing on tablet or mobile previews. Now, switch to the mobile view so you can see what visitors on smaller screens will experience. If a widget, like a slides widget, has been set to be hidden on mobile, it simply won't appear in the preview. That can make it tricky to select or edit. To locate it anyway, move to the top right of the editor and click the structure icon. A drop-down will open and display the full structure of your page: sections, containers, and every widget inside them. Even though the slides widget isn't visible in the mobile preview, you'll see it listed here in the structure. This is your quick way to select it, confirm where it sits on the page, and understand how it's nested. If you'd prefer to actually see hidden items while you're editing, without affecting what visitors see, open the menu at the top left of the editor, often shown as a hamburger icon. From the menu, choose User Preferences. In the Preferences panel, look for the option called Show Hidden Elements and enable it. As soon as you turn this on, hidden items will appear in the editor for the current device view, but they'll be grayed out to indicate they're still hidden on that view. This is purely an editing aid. It does not unhide anything on your live site. It simply lets you click, inspect, and adjust those widgets more confidently, knowing exactly where they are and how they look in context. That's all there is to it. Open the page in Elementor, use the structure icon to find hidden items, and if needed, enable Show Hidden Elements in User Preferences to reveal them in a grayed out state for easier editing. When you're done, you can keep that preference on for future work, or turn it off to reduce visual clutter while you design.